This is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and today we're crafting a St. Patrick's Day tier tray. I wanted to do a rainbow theme on this one. So the first DIY we're going to do here is a rainbow house. I found this great little bag at the Dollar Tree that's covered in rainbows, and you can always use stuff like this to craft with. It's made out of fabric, so perfect for this. And I got one of their chunky wood houses from the Dollar Tree. I just sketch out the size of the house on the back of the fabric, and all I have to do is cut this down to size. This gives you a similar feel like to scrapbook paper when you're crafting, but the fabric adds even more texture. So that is great. I'm going to use some Mod Podge all over the house here, a rather thick coat since this is a heavyweight fabric, and attach the rainbow fabric to it. We're going to be doing several DIYs for my tier tray today for St. Patrick's Day, and I love the rainbow theme. I think that's a really fun theme. Just make sure you don't have any glue seeping out of the sides and trim up any edges. This is the rainbow house. It's nice and tall, so I'm going to put it towards the back of my tier tray. Then for the next DIY, I picked up one of these little ceramic plates from the Dollar Tree. It has a little stand to stand up on its own, perfect for a tier tray. I'm going to combine that with a Dollar Tree sticker of just a rainbow. They have these pretty much year round. If you can't find this one, they also have other varieties, but I find a lot of rainbow stuff at Dollar Tree. I just simply stick it to the glass plate and couldn't be any simpler than that. We have a little rainbow tray for the tier tray. I was thinking it probably needed a little bit of color for St. Patrick's Day though, so I'm going to use a green paint pen and just give it a little border around the edge of the white tray to make it not quite so plain, a little pop of color. And we're going to place this here right next to the rainbow house that we just DIY'd. For the next DIY for the tier tray, we're going to do some rainbow seeds. I picked up a candle holder from the Dollar Tree, one of the square ones like this, and I'm going to use it as a candy dish on the front of the tier tray. So it's functional as well. I love the idea of calling Skittles rainbow seeds. I think that's really funny, especially for a tier tray. So I designed this printable. You can find this printable on my YouTube video, or I will try to link it down in the comments below. It's just a free printable, and I made it to size for this candle holder. I'm just attaching it with Mod Podge here to the front. And this is going to be a great decorative piece, and everybody can get a little snack of Skittles for St. Patrick's Day. I didn't have any Skittles, so I actually DoorDashed some Skittles. Gotta love DoorDash. And I am just gonna fill up this entire candle holder. It's kind of big with 3 packages of Skittles, and there are our rainbow seeds. I did a rainbow theme for the entire tier tray. This is how it turned out. And I hope you love it. If you'd like more St. Patrick's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, you should check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting and happy St. Patrick's Day.